ladies and gentlemen, as we come
Hey guys, Fanga Dan here. We're at Leadfoot 2018. What an epic event here. My man Vaughn Gittin Jr. from the States came down to come party with us, and it's been one hell of a week. There's a variety of everything, you know, like whether you're into classic cars, muscle cars, off-roaders, vintage. The atmosphere here is awesome, man. Like, even though it rained, people were still there. They didn't move from their seats. They had a good posse and waited for the drifters to come up blazing the driveway.
What's up, Vaughn Gittin Jr. here. We are at the Leadfoot Festival. It is an absolute honor to be here. My first time in New Zealand, having a blast, shredding Rod Millen's driveway. This is my first time to New Zealand. I couldn't imagine a better way to do it. We've got my last year's Formula Drift car, which is now Fanga Dan's. We got the RTR road car here, hanging out with the whole CTB Performance crew, the Ford NZ crew, and all my guys from the States came. It's absolutely beautiful country. I've been at the beach, on jet skis with Dan, and just kicking it, seeing what the lifestyle out here is all about.